Hi guys, it's Mrs. Trosvik in House 6B. Nice to see you guys. We are on Unit 7, Lesson 8. Make sure you have your packets open to the page that says Unit 7, Lesson 8 at the top. All right, we are going to begin. Look for this teacher page. We're just going to do a quick review before we begin. On this page, our reminder is that the sum of all angles, or the sum of our interior angles, we use this formula, 180 degrees, times the number of sides, take away 2. So once we know the number of sides, we can take 2 from it, and then we go back and multiply by 180 degrees, and that will give us our sum of our interior angles. All right, our example is off to the right-hand side. If you need a quick reminder that if we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides, and we put it into our formula, we would have 8 take away 2, which equals 6. We would go back and take 6 and multiply it by that 180, and we would get 1,080 degrees. We have a little error if yours has been printed before mine or after mine, I'm not sure. If yours has orange equals 450, I want you to change orange to 900. 900. Okay, so today you're going to do a little bit of a coloring sheet. If you look on the next page, you will see 2 scratch paper sheets as well. Make sure that your orange is changed to 900 on these 2 scratch sheet papers as your quick guide. So these are your quick guides of what color. Use the scratch paper to help you solve each of the equations on our hidden picture. Okay, so we're just going to start with random ones, and I'll do a few with you. Obviously, any that already have the measurement in it, like this one that says 900, we're going to just take and we're going to shade it in the color that goes with 900. So this would be orange. If we go to, let's say, this shape right here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. So if we have 4 sides and it says the sum of the interior angles equals, then I have to put these 4 sides into my original formula. So I'm going to take 4, take away 2 inside my bubble, and I'm going to go back and multiply it by 180 degrees. 4 take away 2 is 2. 2 times 180 degrees equals 360 degrees. 360 is green. So in that one box right here, I am going to shade this guy green, because that is the sum of that interior angle of that shape. All right, let's jump down to this guy. This one has a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So 6 sides for this shape, and we need to solve for the sum of the interior angles again. So this time I'm going to take 6 minus 2 in my parentheses, times it by 180 degrees. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 times 180 degrees is my equation. If you need a calculator, you are always welcome to use a calculator. If you know these by heart and can do it in your head, you are more than welcome to do them in your head. The total angle measurement is 720. I'm going to go back over to my sheet. 720 is red. So for this box right here, I'm going to shade in a red shape. All right, let's do one a little bit more difficult. So let's jump to one of these guys. We have the sum of A plus the angle B plus angle A, or angle A plus angle B. Well, this is a rectangle, and a rectangle we know is made out of 4 right angles. So that means A and B also are right angles. So that means I have 90 degrees plus 90 degrees. Well, 90 plus 90 is 180. 180 is blue, so I'm going to take my blue and shade in my box here, blue. All right, let's jump to one that looks a little bit more difficult. Let's go to this guy. Or no, not that guy. Let's go to this guy right here. This little tiny quadrilateral parallelogram. It kind of looks like a parallelogram. It's not quite a parallelogram. It says the sum of the interior angles, and then I have to take 270 degrees away. So let's start with the sum of the interior angles part. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. So 4 minus 2 is in my parentheses times 180 degrees first. This is 2 times 180 degrees, which equals 360 degrees. Then it says I have to go back and take 270 degrees away. If I do this, I am left with 90 degrees. A 90-degree angle on my chart tells me I am yellow. So for this little tiny parallelogram looking thing, that's not a parallelogram because this is not parallel to this side. Our quadrilateral, we're going to shade yellow. I'm just going to fill that in with my yellow. All right, as you can see, you're going to need some colored pencils today to find your hidden shape. Make sure that you read the directions and keep on going. If you have questions, please ask your teachers for help. A couple things to note. We have multiplication, we have division, we have parentheses, we have subtraction, we have some division. Make sure that you're solving for the sum of interior angles to help you solve for each of these equations inside the shape. Use your scratch paper as you go. Reach out to your teachers if you're stuck on anything. Have a good day, guys. Take care.